Good evening children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So children, did you all remember what we have done in our last class? Yes, we have gone through the word words and we have gone through the days of the week. Do you all remember? Yes, I hope you all have gone through the word words. So children, in today's class I am going to start our new topic and the name of our topic is thick and thin. Can you all see that? Thick and thin. So children, today we are going to identify some objects which are thick and thin. So children, let's start our class. So children, now I am going to show you all some flashcards. Okay, with the help of some flashcards, today we are going to identify the thick and thin. Okay, the thick and thin objects we are going to identify today. So I am going to start from this two sketch pens. Okay, can you see that? Yes, this is a marker pen and this is a sketch pen. But now I am going to clear you all the concept of thick and thin. Okay, so this is thick and this is thin. So now what do you mean by thick and what do you mean by thin? So let me start with the thick. Can you all see this marker pen is little bit bigger in size from this sketch pen? Can you all see that? This marker pen is bigger in size from this sketch pen. Okay, so that means this marker pen is thick and this sketch pen is thin. Again I am repeating, this marker pen is thick, okay, and this sketch pen is thin. So I am going to set this marker pen on the flashcard where it is written thick. Okay children, so this is thick and this sketch pen is thin. Is it okay? Now I am going to show you all some flashcards. With the help of these flashcards, today we are going to identify the thick and thin concept. Okay? Okay. Now children, can you all see that these are breads. So now this bread is thick and this bread is thin. This bread is thick and this bread is thin. I hope you all have understood. So let me show you all some more examples. Okay. Now can you all see these are candles. So with the help of this flashcard, I hope you all have known that this is thick and this is thin. Okay, this is thick candle and this is thin candle. Okay children, so let me show you some more examples. So now children, can you all see these are pencils. So this is thick pencil and this is thin pencil. This is thick pencil and this is thin pencil. Is it okay? So let me show you some more example. Now can you all see here, these are tires. Okay, these are tires. So now you can see that this is thick tire and this is thin tire. This is thick tire and this is thin tire. I hope you all have understood the concept of thick and thin objects. So children, if you have some more examples with you, with the help of this also, you all can send me the videos of it. If you liked it, you can do like this way. You can do it by yourself with the help of some objects which you have at your home. So children, I hope you all have understood. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Till then, bye everyone.